Guys, I have just literally lost millions of dollars by holding Bitcoin, and you must feel terrified, and so do I. But you have to understand this. Rich Dad always told his son that whenever assets are crashing, whenever the stock market is crashing, the rich get richer and the poor get poorer. But on which side are you? This is very important to understand, because the rich, whenever the markets are crashing, they are buying more assets because they are on fire still, and so should you. And let me quickly explain this. So this video I'm going to be quickly explaining about what currently is happening in the market. It is important and crucial to understand this. This morning I already uploaded the video, but this is a little bit more of a deep dive, because I have seen some stuff here, guys, which is actually getting myself quite excited. So I think that, being realistic, Bitcoin in the coming 3 to 4 months, it's not going to be that good here. It's not going to be probably performing so good, but in the coming year or 2 years, I think it's actually going to be quite fine here. Why? Is first of all, this entire crash got started due to the fact that the Bank of Japan, the BOJ, they started to increase their interest rates. And now there's actually a 60% consensus that they're going to cut the rates again here. And this is going to cause, of course, the market to significantly slow down in terms of its panic. It's probably going to cause money to flow back in towards the stock market again. So this is probably going to be saving the market quite heavily if this really is going to be happening. It's currently a 60% chance this is going to be happening. Then if this happens, I think we're going to be actually quite safe. But of course, we also know that potentially World War III is on the horizon right now here. This could be, of course, a very bad effect on the market if it really does happen. And then the third thing, which is also going to be happening today, which I want to be doing a deep dive in, is that actually the Federal Reserve is most likely going to be calling an emergency meeting. The last time they did this was in March 2020. And in March 2020, they decided to do this because we had the pandemic crash. And they literally cut the rates by 1.5% in a matter of 2 weeks. They did 2 emergency meetings, 2 rate cuts. They cut it by 1.5% in just a matter of 2 weeks. So if this is going to be happening again here, they're going to, of course, stimulate the economy again, which is quite good for the market in general. And if they're going to be doing QE again, quantitative easing again, QE indeed, they're also going to be stimulating the market. And that means that the money printer is going to get turned on again here. And this is, of course, an inevitable thing to be happening. And why I say that on the short term, this is bearish for Bitcoin is because, historically speaking, whenever the Fed tends to be cutting the rates, it means that the market is probably going to be heading in towards a crash here. And to be very realistic, where can Bitcoin go to? It can literally go to 40K, guys. I am not kidding. It can definitely happen, but it could also already have been bottomed. We don't know exactly what is going to be happening because there are a lot of factors that are quite unknown, such as World War III, such as are the Bank of Japan really going to cut the rates? But whatever we're looking at right now,